Which are the worst pension funds? Let's look at the data. And if you've got any of these, well, you better stay tuned right to the end because I've got about 10 slides here to show you. And I'll tell you the questions you should be asking your IFA or wealth manager. So first of all, what is it we're looking at? We're looking at what over 3 years, £100 would have got you. Now, 67 doesn't mean you get 67 more pounds. It means you're left with 67 pounds. You've lost money over the last 3 years, some of the best 3 years in the stock market for that. So which are some of the worst ones? Well, AXA comes up a lot. Rathbone does. 91 does. Virgin Money, there, St James's Place. Global Quality, they said. Well, over 3 years, £100 has become £104. That's their Global Quality at St James's Place. Here's where it gets worse. 3-year return relative to the benchmark. I'm just looking off camera here at all the data. Minus £26. So in absolute terms, you made 4, but actually relative to a benchmark, an index tracker you could have just tracked in most cases, you would actually have lost money. So there's a massive opportunity cost there as well. Again, St James's Place Sustainable Responsible Equity, similar kind of story. Now, these are the global ones. Let's look at the other dog funds, as it were. St James's Place recently said, one of their clients sent me an information pack where what they said is, well, we've been doing really badly, so we should revert back to mean and start doing better, shouldn't we? I mean, I've never heard such a bad argument, but it's bad not just because it's just embarrassing, but secondly, because actually the data doesn't even support that either. So on both bases, it was just a bad argument. So let's go forward then, look at Asia Pacific excluding Japan. Now, most of you won't necessarily have these funds, but you can just see time and again. What's worrying here is these are big names, household names. Bailey Gifford, Janice Henderson, okay, JP Morgan, Alliance Total, T. Rowe Price, sorry, Alliance Total Return Asian Equity Fund, Fidelity, Lion Trust. These are big names. All of them over the last 3 years have left you out of pocket. And in relation to the 3-year relative to the benchmark, almost down 40%, okay? Let's move forward. Europe, let's say you forget Asia. Europe, excluding the UK, and we'll come to UK in a second. So if you've got any of these in your pension pots, your IFA should be shot. Because although it's HSBC Europe, you'd think it was good. Over 3 years, you've lost money in absolute terms. Okay, Bailey Gifford, European, you would think, such a great name, lots of adverts. L&G, Future World Sustainable European Equity Focus. Come on, look at the